morning guys, and welcome to day 11 of our adventure. We finally arrived to Dublin, and right now we're going from airport to the city center, but unfortunately it's too rainy outside, so I'm not sure how many places we're gonna show you today. That's my second time in Dublin, and second time it's rainy all day long.
That's your favorite. Here in Dublin, we're gonna use only public buses. That's why we got this street visitor card.
For tourists, there is couple options. You can get this pass for 1 day, 3 day, and 7 day. Technically, we will be here only for 2 days, but we get this visitor card for 3 day, and it costs €16. And you can use any buses in Dublin and around. So it's pretty nice because this bus is kind of famous, like English buses, double deckers. Here is the second floor, and over there is the first floor. And when you sit on the second floor, it's pretty high, and you can see all things around. Over there you can see Spire of Dublin. It's 120-meter tall stainless steel construction. It's look like big needle. And it's pretty cool monument.
I don't remember. So the bus is going in this direction.
We've come to National Museum of Ireland, probably its archaeology section, and while it's raining, we will walk here and check the exhibits. Okay, it looks like Dublin just wanted us to visit this museum because after spending only half an hour there, the rain is completely over and sun is showing up. This is Trinity College.
Very beautiful place. Those students are like it to be.
And it's raining again in just 1 second.
What?
Are you ready to
What's
go?
your question?
And this Spire of Dublin, not really tall, it's only 120 meter, which equal 30-40 floors of the skyscraper. But just because there is no any skyscrapers around, it's look really tall. And you can see it from almost everywhere in Dublin if you're close enough. And this round thing right before the spire, it's Dublin portal, from where you can see other cities. For example, Lublin in Poland and Vilnius in Lithuania. And I'm gonna show it to you. Yeah, right now it's Lublin. And the people from those sides can see you as well. If you'll wave them, they might wave you back. And my mom really liked this portal. When we stay in Lublin with her, she always waved to the people. And this, as I told you, Lithuania in Vilnius. You can wave them and they will wave you back. Today they are way more friendly than Polish people. Well, walking around Dublin without planning at all, we just happened to come across the bridge where another movie was filmed. And it's right here. I'm kidding, of course we prepared for this. And the movie was Ordinary Decent Criminal. I'm gonna show you location right now. It's rainy or windy in Dublin. There is no in between. Right here. You see all these buildings here. And I know, guys, that Ireland and especially Dublin is mostly about pubs and beer, but unfortunately or luckily we're not that kind of people, so you won't see the pubs inside. Still, I hope you'll find something cool in every our video.
Now we're entering in Dublin Castle. It says we're here, so we're gonna go right in this entrance and we'll see what's happened then.
Yeah, if it's still open, because it's pretty late, 7.
Time is correct.
So the castle is closed. You just can go to this square and see outside, but you can't go inside.
So guys, day 11 is almost over. We're gonna get some dinner and go back to our hostel to take a sleep.
Yeah, last night was kind of hard for us because of overnight flight from Canada, so we need to have a good rest. Bye.
See you tomorrow.